friends, good morning. This is Srikant. Today I will explain DAX functions, another one, sum x. So first I will see my sample data. Okay, see this data. This all are I'm enter this data. Next I'm selecting to new measure. Next type sum x. Okay, press enter. Next table name, see this table sales is a table name. So next I'm entering table name. Next expression returns the sum of an expression evaluated for each row in a table. So now sales, next I can add day 1 sales column. Next first I do additions, so addition symbol plus, so now I add plus, and next I can add another one day 2 sales. Next close this measure. Once check this, it's automatically addition 2 columns. Okay, day 1 column, day 2 column, day 3 column. Once you observe this 2 columns, see this 1500 plus 500 equal 2000. Okay, it's automatically addition 2 columns. Next one is subtraction. Subtractions all are same, just you change in this place, just you can add minus symbol. It's these 2 columns automatically subtractions. Okay, thank you friends. Please subscribe our channel Lakshmi Skills. This is a basic function in SumX. I will explain further class deeply this SumX function.